Hello children. So today we will start the new chapter, revenue. Okay, so we had completed the cost chapter. Okay, now comes to revenue. So at first, what is revenue? Okay, that is before starting we should understand the meaning of the chapter, that is what is revenue. So revenue means amount which a producer receives after selling the produced output in the market. That is your revenue. Okay, so we can say that revenue is the amount, okay, that a producer receives in exchange for the sale, that is known as your revenue. Like if a firm gets rupees 15,000 from the sale of 100 shares, then the amount, that is the amount which we received, that is that 15,000 rupees. So that 15,000 rupees is known as revenue. Okay, that is why it is said that revenue means the amount received by a firm from the sale of a given quantity of the commodity in the market. Okay, so in economics, revenue is a very important concept as it is directly influenced by sales. Okay, so in the concept of revenue, three important terms are there. That is, we can or else we can say three types of revenues are there. That one is total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. So as we had discussed this total revenue, marginal revenue, and average revenue, as we had discussed this total cost, average cost, marginal cost in the cost chapter, in the same way here it is total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. Now one by one we can see the concept of these types of revenues. That is, first comes total revenue. Okay, so total revenue means what? Revenue which receive in total. Revenue which receive in total, that is all the produced output, that is all the produced thing to be sold, and the total amount received is total revenue. That means जितना भी हमने produce किया उसको sell करोगे आप. Okay, after selling whatever the amount you received, total amount, that is your total revenue. Okay, so total revenue means total receipt from the sale of a given quantity of a commodity. Now to find out the total revenue, what you will do, what is the formula? That is for quantity into price. Okay, to find out total revenue, that is total revenue is equal to quantity into price. Now next comes average revenue. So what is average revenue? See, revenue per unit of output sold. Okay, that is the total revenue earned by us, and then we take the per unit. Okay, that what we call it as average. So average revenue means revenue per unit of output sold. Okay, per unit. So to find out the average revenue, what is the formula? That is total revenue divided by quantity. Okay, as in the cost, average cost, total cost divided by quantity. So here it is average revenue, so total revenue divided by quantity. Okay, so this is your average revenue. So I hope it is clear, both the types of revenue, that is total revenue and average revenue. Okay, now next is marginal revenue. Okay, so what is marginal revenue? So the word marginal, that is when we started economics, at that time only we had started what is marginal. Marginal means one additional unit or extra unit. Okay, so marginal means additional only. So marginal revenue is addition to total revenue, that is when one extra unit of output is sold. Okay, here we know that marginal means one additional, one extra unit. Okay, so if we sell 100 units in rupees 3,000, okay, that is 100 unit and we got rupees 3,000, and after that when we sell 101 units, and there we got 1,020 rupees. So as we had increased one unit, this amount also increased, that is 20 rupees. First it was 1,000, then it became to 1,020, so 20 rupees increased. So that 20 rupees is your marginal revenue. Okay, so to find out the marginal revenue, the formula we can say MR is equal to TRN minus TRN minus 1, or else one more formula that is given here, that is change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. Okay, change in total revenue, that is why delta TR upon delta TQ, that is change in total revenue divided by change in quantity. Okay, now to make the schedule and diagrams also, two cases are there. That is, first we can say the price of the unit sale is always remain same. In first case, that is, the price will be constant. Okay, and in second case what happened, that is when we sell more units, when we decrease our price. Okay, so two cases, that means when price remain constant, that is the first case when price remain constant, and in second case what happened, when the price is not constant, that means when the price is falling. Okay, that is the second case. So in two cases we can see. So first, if we see this simple calculations, okay, with the help of this table, then it will be more clear to you कि TR, AR और MR कैसे find out करना है, एक table के through हम समझ सकते हैं. Okay, in the last class, as I had explained you, total cost, average cost और marginal cost, in the same way अब जो next जो table है वो table में आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay, now see in this table it is shown unit sold, price, total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. Okay, so in total revenue you can see what it is given, quantity into price. Yes, that means quantity is 1 and price is 10. So 1 into 10, 10, then 2 into 9, 18, 3 into 8, 24, 4 into 7, 28. Okay, so in this way total revenue is there. Then in average revenue, the formula was total revenue divided by quantity. So total revenue divided by quantity, that means total revenue is 10 and quantity is 1. So 10 divided by 1 is 10, then 18 divided by 2 is 9, 24 divided by 8 is 3. Okay, so here it goes on average revenue. And marginal revenue means, as I said, okay, what you will do, 10 minus 0. So first one will be 10 only. Then next is what, 18 minus 10. So 18, that means total revenue. Okay, total revenue, you can check it out, total revenue. So in total revenue, it is first one is 10. So 10 ka 10 minus 0, it will be 10 only. Then 18 minus 10. Okay, नीचे से ऊपर 18 minus 10 कितना है, additional amount 8. Then 24 minus 18 कितना है, additional amount 6. So 6 is your marginal revenue. Again 28 minus 24, 4. So 4 is your marginal revenue. Okay, so this is the table which shows how to calculate total revenue, average revenue and marginal revenue. Okay, now if you see the relationship between the revenue concept, that is the relationship between different revenue concept, we can discuss in two situations. As I said, that is, first one is when price remain constant, that is it happens under perfect competition, जब price constant रहता है. ठीक है, रेवेन्यू कॉन्सेप्ट को समझाने के लिए, उसका रिलेशनशिप बताने के लिए टू सिचुएशंस होते हैं. वन सिचुएशन इज व्हेन प्राइस रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, और प्राइस कांस्टेंट कब होता है, जब वो परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में रहता है. ओके, और सेकेंड सिचुएशन इज व्हेन प्राइस फॉल्स विद द राइज इन आउटपुट, मतलब प्राइस डिक्रीज होता है, क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज होता है. ओके, so and this, when price falls, it happens under imperfect competition. Okay, so when price remain constant, that means in this situation what happened, the firm has to accept the same price as determined by the industry. That means any quantity of a commodity can be sold at that particular price only, price change nahi hoga. Okay, that is, the price of the unit sold is always constant. If we sell 10 units or if we sell 1000 units, price will be same only. Okay, so we sell more unit, and in next case what happened, when price falls with rise in output, that is, it happens under imperfect competition. In this case what happens, the firm follows its own price policy, however it can increase sales only by reducing the price. Okay, so this is the relationship between revenue concept.